Ever pondered the origins of that shiny gold jewelry you so adore? It's quite an intriguing journey from the Earth's crust to your jewelry box. This journey begins with a substance known as gold ore, a rare mineral deposit where gold is found in its raw form. It's not quite as glamorous as the finished product, but it's equally as fascinating. Gold is more than just a luxurious adornment. Its unique properties make it indispensable in various industries, from electronics to aerospace. It's the unsung hero in our smartphones, computers, and even satellites. Extracting gold from the earth is a feat of human ingenuity. It's a complex process that involves heavy machinery, skilled labor, and a deep understanding of geology. This process transforms the unassuming gold ore into the radiant gold we all know and love. The story of gold is not just about a precious metal, but a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. The journey from unrefined gold ore to the gleaming gold we recognize involves a series of complex processes, each more fascinating than the last. Our story begins with gold ore, a mixture of gold and mineralized rock. This ore is extracted from the earth, marking the first step in the transformation from dull rock to shiny metal. But the gold is still hidden within the ore, so it's time to bring in the heavy machinery. The ore is crushed and milled into a fine powder, breaking down the hard rock and liberating the gold particles. This process isn't a one-and-done deal. It's a matter of precision, requiring careful handling and meticulous attention to detail. Think of it as a meticulous baker, sifting flour to ensure that the final product is just right. Next up is leaching, a chemical process that separates the gold from the rest of the material. This is where things get a bit sciencey. The crushed ore is mixed with a solution that binds to the gold, leaving behind the unwanted material. It's a bit like a magnet, attracting the gold and leaving the rest behind. But we're not done yet. The gold-infused solution then goes through carbon adsorption. Picture this, a sponge soaking up the gold from the solution, leaving behind a gold-loaded carbon. It's a delicate process and one that requires the utmost precision. Finally, the gold is recovered through electrowinning. This involves passing an electric current through the gold-loaded carbon, causing the gold to detach and form a solid metal. It's a bit like a butterfly emerging from a cocoon, transforming from one form to another. So now we have our gold, but it's not the shiny, gleaming metal we recognize just yet. It's still in a raw, unrefined form, awaiting the final touches that will transform it into the beautiful metal we know and love. So the dazzling piece of gold has been through quite an expedition, hasn't it? But wait, there's more to the story. Now that we have pure gold, it's time to transform it into something even more spectacular. Gold in its raw form is a sight to behold, but it's the craftsmanship that truly brings out its beauty. The shaping of gold into desired items like jewelry, coins, and ingots is a delightful dance of science and art. Various methods are employed, each with its own charm. For jewelry, gold is often cast or molded into intricate designs, while for coins and ingots, it's usually stamped or pressed into shape. Craftsmen play an invaluable role in this process. With deft hands and keen eyes, they carve and chisel, smooth and polish, transforming the raw gold into a masterpiece. It's their skill and artistry that breathe life into the metal, making it more than just a valuable commodity. And voila! Your exquisite piece of gold jewelry is ready to make you shine. So what's the condensed version of this golden journey? Well, let's take a quick rewind. The saga of gold begins deep within the Earth's crust, where it's found as raw ore. This ore, a mix of gold and other minerals, undergoes a grueling process of crushing and grinding, transforming it into a powdery substance. From there, it's off to a frothy bath in a flotation cell where the gold particles separate from the rest. The resulting concentrate, rich in gold, then takes a heat bath in a furnace, melting into a shiny liquid brilliance. But the story doesn't end there. This molten gold is further refined, purified, and then molded into bars, coins, or intricate jewelry. Each step is a testament to the complexity and intricacy of the process, a delicate dance of science and artistry. Next time you marvel at a piece of gold, remember the fascinating journey it has taken from the Earth's crust to your hands.